Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today I had a special request from Amanda to make a ring with a bird that's similar to her tattoo. So she sent me a photo of her tattoo and I just scanned it and made a few different sizes, printed them out. I made the pendant, and so there's like a frame and with 18 gauge wire, and then the bird is made with a 22 gauge wire, and I did quite a bit of detail in the wings. I'm going to try to simplify it for the ring, and so what I want to do is I'm going to use the smaller size. I have 18 gauge wire. We'll just bend it here, leave enough for the band, and we're just going to bend it up at a right angle. We'll just take the ring mandrel or any round form. You can use a marker if you like, or a highlighter. Just going to bend it around the round form and then twist the end around so it's nice and tight. You could pull a little more if you want. Flip the end so it's flush. Remove it from the mandrel and take your flat pliers and just pinch it so there's no rough end. And it's going to look like that. So now I'm going to trace the shape of the bird with 22 gauge wire. I'll just start with the beak. So we're just going to bend that at a sharp angle. We want to just flatten it out there. So now we're going to hold this with the round pliers, bring that one up and down, and then we're just going to form the head down, and then this one is going to go up to form the wing, and then this part is going to come down here. So we can use this as a guide. Let's bring this one around and down. This one here, we're just going to bring it up and around, and then we can fit it onto the frame. So we're going to bring this one up here, wind it through a couple of times. Bring it in here. And bring that one to the back. So you can always poke those in together a little bit. And then for the tail, we're just going to hold this and bend it around. And then we can just start forming the wing here. So we're just going to bring this one around here, pinch these in a bit together, bring this one here, and then just bring it down. And we have to bend the wing up on the other ones. We're just going to bring that one down and around here. So it's going to be like two wings, and then we can wind this one in. Just around to here, and then we want to wind this over, so we're just going to hold that and bring it down. So now we have what looks like two wings. This one we can clip, pinch it in place. For the tail, we just want to wind it down there. It actually separate these two so there's a little space in there. Bring this one in here, bring it in between those two wires, bring that to the back, clip it. You want to make sure the ends are tucked in, squeeze these together. Here you can do any adjusting that you need. If you want to move the wings closer together, just kind of go like that. It's moving around the circle a little bit, so you can just try to pinch them in a little bit. And then to make the ring, just take your cone, put it on the size that you want, bring this one around to here, and then I'm going to clip this one a little bit. It's a little long, and you can open that one up and close it up here. Take the end, bring it around, pull it down a bit, give it a clip, give it a little pinch that closed, and then I always put it back on the ring cone to be sure. If you need to do any tweaks with the design, you can go ahead, bring your pliers in there, and there you have a very simple bird ring.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.